We friends went for a buffet lunch in Absolute Barbecue in Sector 5, Salt Lake, Kolkata. The restaurant premise is quite big. We did not reserve any table for us, but they arranged a table for us in the corner. One problem that we faced in AB is that they have fixed the time for buffet lunch or dinner for 2 hours per table, which I believe is not enough to try so many items of food. There is glass wall here, and if you want you can peep through the glass wall and see the road outside. This is our table. They'll first give you a welcome drink. I opted for Blue Angel mocktail. Then later again I opted for Virgin Mojito mocktail, for which I had to pay rupees 99 extra, as the extra drink is not included in the buffet price. After which you go to the live counters to select food of your choice. The non-veg live counter has cultured bunny with bone, quail meat, duck meat, and seafood. I wanted to taste octopus, squid, and emu meat, which are usually available in Absolute Barbecue. But that day I did not find them in the live counter, so I could not taste these meats. Besides the live counter, they have kept mutton for the main course. Here the buffet lunch is served, and behind the transparent black window you can see the chefs preparing food for us. The veg counter has zucchini, baby corn, paneer and mushroom. They will prepare whichever way you want to have it. They'll give you a token number, and after preparing the dish they'll deliver it to your table. You can also collect it yourself from the live counter. In the live counter, you also find pasta, dahi puri or dahi puchka, then papri chaat, momo, and pav keema. I ordered pasta in red and white sauce, dahi puchka, and later papri chaat and pav keema. There are three dips of mayonnaise, mustard sauce, and green chutney. After this, they'll serve you barbecue grill in your table. From the left, you can see tandoori paneer tikka, hariyali mushroom, ajwaini fish tikki, kasundi prawn, baked watermelon, grilled pineapple cubes, reshmi murg tikka, that's crispy corn. In my plate, I have crispy corn, pudina sheikh kebab, tandoori paneer tikka, kasundi prawn, that's tandoori kebab, tangri kebab. The red cube is grilled watermelon, which I did not like much. But the taste of grilled pineapple is quite different. Cajun spice potato also I did not like the taste. Otherwise, all starters were good. The hariyali mushroom was also not that interesting. Now, this is the bowl of exotic meats. The chef prefers to mix up all the meat together and prepare a dish for you, and you will not properly understand the taste of these meats individually. If you want, they'll prepare each meat separately also. You'll understand the taste of shark meat as it tasted like fish. Quail meat was like chicken, and duck meat has a special smell. So if you are not accustomed to it, you might not like the taste of it. Then after finishing the starters, you go to the main course. Here you can see first the salads. Then this is the veg portion. This is veg biryani with potatoes and peas. It tasted exactly like chicken biryani, but devoid of chicken. Then here you see veg Manchurian and chili garlic veg noodle. From the left, that's chana curry kofta, veg kolhapuri, and Kashmiri aloo dum. Then comes dal tarka and karhai paneer. You also have plain rice and AB special dal. AB special dal is really tasty. In fact, veg items are very tasty. You can see my plate of veg items. Now then comes the non-veg item. First you see the chicken biryani, very tasty. Then the bread. Then there is chicken fried rice, chili chicken, rui macher jhal, which is a type of Bengali fish curry. Then this is egg curry and butter chicken. I expected the butter chicken to be a bit softer, but it was not on that day. You have two types of soups, tomato coriander soup and chicken manchow soup. This is my non-veg plate, and you can see I have taken almost all the items but in very small quantity so that I can have it. This is my friend's plate. Now, like any buffet, AB will first ask whether you or any one of you have a birthday. Now, if so, they'll arrange a cake for you and they'll sing for you the happy birthday song. We requested them a cake to celebrate for our friends' reunion, which they agreed. Then comes the the dessert counter and the ice cream counter. The counter is near the entrance of AB. They'll prepare this pan ice cream for you, which is very different and quite tasty. Now this is my plate full of dessert. The green and red colored things are jellies. You can see mango cake, the yellow one, and cheesecake, the white one. Then there is bread pudding and chocolate cake, and also orange cake. In the bowl you have firni, and besides the bowl that's jalebi, and besides the jalebi you have moong dal halwa, and in the left you have balushai and long latika. These are really tasty and yummy. I mean, so many items to try. It's very difficult to complete for a single person. There was also Anguri Gulab Jamun, but I did not try it. If you want, you can try it. Overall, I found the food and the ambience of Absolute Barbecue to be good. And what I loved the most is that all the people working in AB is very cordial and friendly. If you are a foodie like me, you can definitely try the buffet lunch and dinner in Absolute Barbecue.